3245-417A. On Dawn Haven Road, Hacienda Heights. Son has a knife, yelling at informant. Open line, tag 3-1. Sorry, it is in 3 or less.
147 boy, about 5.
147 boy in 5. The other unit?
147 3 and 3.
142 Adam 3 and 3. Respawn code 3. 142 Adam 3.
147 copy.
Is there a secondary unit in less than 5 to Dawn Haven and 8 Hacienda Heights? 147 boy also respawn code 3. 147 boy.
147 boy, code 3.
Last update, stabbed dad, 902R staging, all parties in the living room. 140 Sam, it's
On
also
September
your
4th,
attention.
2023, at 5:34 a.m., industry station deputies responded to a residence in the 16700 block of Dawn Haven Road in unincorporated Hacienda Heights regarding a call of a person who had committed an assault with a knife. Information in the call indicated a male had stabbed his father. The male was later identified as 42-year-old Robert Boozer of St. George, Utah.
Hey, listen. Okay, I'm here to help. I can't help you.
1033, go, you're on the
Hey,
path.
sir, white shirt.
Sir.
Hello,
Sir,
you.
Can you come over here?
I know I can't talk.
Sir,
Walk
can
over
you
here.
Come over here. In the white, sir.
Sir,
Don't go back, sir. Sir.
drop that knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. I'm gonna shoot you if you rush him with the... Drop the knife.
Sir, get over here.
Drop the knife.
Hey, 1 protector, we're just carrying a 245 suspect guy going fine.
Copy, detaining the 245 suspect at gunpoint.
9998, 1 suspect shot. Let me get...
Upon arrival, deputies located Boozer on the front porch of a neighboring residence. Boozer was holding a large knife in one of his hands. The deputies gave Boozer numerous commands to drop the knife. Boozer ignored the deputies' commands and charged at them while holding the knife, at which point a deputy-involved shooting occurred. Boozer was struck by gunfire, dropped the knife, and fell to the ground. Deputies rendered first aid until the arrival of the Los Angeles County Fire Department paramedics, who pronounced Boozer dead at the scene. A knife, with an approximate 9-inch blade, was recovered at the scene. There were no other persons injured in the incident. Do you have a story you would like to see told? Is there body camera footage you're waiting to see but can't find? Subscribe to Trash Media Group for on-the-ground coverage without the political twists of mainstream media. If there is a story you want told, we'll dig it up and tell it. Be sure to click the bell so you know you're up to date on every story with your notifications set to all. Be sure to also check out trashmedia.locals.com for articles on current events that matter to you, not the everyday fluff of pay-to-read legacy sites. Trash Media's Locals is free to join. So come check it out. And as always, thanks for watching.